अगर मन में हो विश्वास तो दुख का पड़ला तो पल भर में बीत जाता है। अगर मन में हो विश्वास तो दुख का पड़ला तो पल भर में बीत जाता है। और अगर हौसले हो तूफानी तो साला एक कछुआ भी खरगोश से जीत जाता है। सो गाइज, आई थिंक माइंड सेट इज मोर पावरफुल देन स्किल सेट. It is an obvious thing. So let me tell you one story from my childhood, from my school. So when I was in class 7th or 8th, there was a one guy in my class whose name was Sagar Tiwari. So Sagar was the most popular guy in our class. Everyone loves him. And how was I? मुझसे कोई लड़कियाँ बात नहीं करती, तो लड़कियाँ तो बहुत दूर की बात है, मेरे कोई बॉयज़ भी फ्रेंड नहीं होते थे. अब जो सागर था, ये सबसे टैलेंटेड लड़का नहीं था. ही वॉज नॉट द स्मार्टेस्ट गाय, ही वॉज नॉट द जीनियस, बट स्टिल एवरी वन वॉन्ट टू बी लाइक हिम. आई डोंट नो वाई. सो दिस क्वेश्चन इंट्रिग्ड अ लॉट टू मी. And Sagar was also the captain of our class, so I also felt a little bit jealous to him. But you know what? Why he's like the superior to among us? Not because he's talented, because he have this one habit. He always raised the hand. Whenever teacher was asking something, he always raised the hand that ma'am, I wanna tell something. Whenever he have some doubt in maths class, because I was extremely weak in maths, but whenever he has the doubt, he always raise the hand. So I find out that the raising hand is a amazing thing, and it is all about mindset. You know what I'm saying. So after that class, I also applied these things on me, like the mindset, the raising hands. These are all the basic things. It has nothing to do with talent. So after that, I became the captain in my next classes. I also became president in my school, in my college. I was consecutive 4 years. I was the CR, class representative, in my college. I also became the president of my electronics and communication stream, and still I do not have any talent. I have this one skill, or better we would say, it is mindset. So research shows that mindset is more important than skill set. Wherever field you are, whichever field you are, it is important, and recruiters also choose 96% more the people who are more talented, but the people who have the mindset. And you know what? Without mindset, what do you mean by skill set if you do not have mindset? Because it is the most important thing. If you are, suppose that if you have cricketing talent like Sachin Tendulkar, but you don't know, and like no one tells you, and you do not have belief on yourself that I want to be the greatest cricketer, it is not possible. So it is simple that mindset is more important than skill set. Thank you very much. This is Priyanshu Goswami signing out. Bye bye.